Okay guys, here we go. Time to start to work. There we go. Yeah, I'm gonna have to dig this down a little more. Well, I didn't do anything. I have to dig this down. See, too close up. Right back. The window fit perfect in place. This rest over here on the V, and I put this cap in over here. Okay, so it's gonna seal over here, silicone. Be on both sides. So yeah, 3/4 inch wood on both sides. I'm gonna screw down, then the window gonna slide in place. Okay, quick update here. I'm using this concrete anchor top on. See. So when I on the other side, when I bore it here, these two over here, these two end one here, I'm holding this cover in place. The top one is wedged over there, so you have metal on the top, so I cannot do anything. I'm gonna silicone it. Same thing, I'm gonna pre-drill here, conquer sink it, bore it. So yeah. Okay, I bored the hole, conquer sink it, put washer on here. So okay, it's flush here. It's not touching, so. Okay guys, the window is in place, so I finish this up. Also, I'm going to be putting the some spray foam on there in the gaps wherever needed. So I decided to go with the sliders instead of the one that tilt. The one that tilt, you know, feels cheaper. Actually cheaper. So yeah, this one is more expensive, and you can adjust this here how much air you want. So alright, bye.